If you joke, I'll slap you. Speak English. You're sweet. Will you come to my house to eat?
Shall I? What did you make?
I'm coming to your house to. Mama.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you okay?
I'm fantastic.
How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't.
Hi y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all know the vibe. It's your girl Gloria. I'm here with Daniela showing the vibe, the one that everyone is waiting to see. Period. In today's video, we are doing calling people without not hearing the conversation, which is we are going to call other people, and Priscilla is going to start, which is she have music she loves AirPods.
So she has some AirPods on and we'll play music.
Yeah,
she's gonna call with someone without hearing the person. What the person is gonna say.
She literally needs to listen to us. I don't know how. What she needs to read our lips. Yeah, and reply the person. So music.
So guys, I'm trying to get someone who's like to match the energy.
Benny? How are you?
I'm fine.
Have you eaten? Have you eaten?
No.
What did you eat?
I said no.
Me, I've not eaten, no. Me, I want. Me, I'm going outside.
You're going to your house to fucking.
I'm coming to your house to. But I love you. I want to climb you. I want to climb tree.
Say,
Are you okay?
I'm fantastic.
Turn your camera.
I want to.
Stop fooling. Stop fooling. Turn your camera.
Are you ready to?
Why is that you are fooling like that?
Never. No, I swear to God. Hey.
Give me something to eat. Are you high or something?
you high?
You make fun.
I'm highest. Watch me.
I'm high.
Someone is there and the person is telling you to say, yes.
No, never.
I heard it was your.
Bye. Police girl, bye.
What's it there?
Bye. Priscilla, that was very terrible. Like, why you want want to fuck her. Say how are you? I want to meet you. And you say I want to fuck you. Why you respond? That was nice. That was very so close. Cause hey.
I know that's what.
Yeah, the song's supposed to play.
And that's what parents.
Okay, so who is calling who? So it's Daniela's turn. She's going to call someone. Let's see. Okay, music loud.
Hi, Ruth.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine, and you? I'm fine.
Yeah.
Will you eat?
You want to come and eat at my house?
Huh?
Will you come to my house to eat?
Shall I? What did you make?
Ghana jollof rice.
Why are
Ghana.
you eating yourself?
I want to.
Huh?
I want to. Will you come to my house?
She hung up.
Why is this so loud? Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
What's your name?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. Have you eaten?
What about you?
I'm hungry. I want to eat pizza. Have you eaten?
Call anyone.
Back.
Why is this boy calling me? This boy is calling me now. Wait, I'll call you later.
Hi, babes.
What's up?
How you doing?
How are you?
How are you, my love?
Oh, I miss you. I miss you.
Charlie, what do you go on?
I miss you. Where are you? I want to.
Go to the big tina. You say who this?
Hi, I miss you.
I got to everything. I got some Bible. I can.
No, never. It's not me.
Offer Bible can never go on.
No. Hi, I miss you.
Take the phone, give me my make a talk plaza.
No. It's me, your wife. I love you. I miss you.
Let's take off a Bible. Can you need a Bible? You don't need it.
No, never, no. I don't hear anything. What is he saying?
It's a Franco beer.
Guys, I can't even hear anything like this.
Just know this girl thought I was literally cooking. So you did not cook, bitch? No, I didn't. So guys, yeah. So guys, the people we called here, they are now calling back. So we will call them. We are about to call them now. Yeah.
Okay, so is it on? Put it on.
It's on.
Nah, you can't reach 4 years. 4.
Me,
4. Me said now, bitch.
Hello, Josephine. Hello, Josephine.
Yes,
How are you?
I'm fine.
I want to climb tree.
We want to climb a tree.
Yes.
Are you laughing? Are you okay?
I want to come to you.
Coming.
Why? Where are you?
Hey.
I love you, okay?
Hey, Radina.
You're sweet.
Kwasia. You are there with some people you are fooling, eh?
Me, no. I swear. Never.
Continue.
No.
Continue. Bye-bye.
I want to kill myself.
Kill.
Help.
Kill yourself. Now me cry me did all of that.
Oh, why?
It's a prank.
It's a prank. Thanks for picking up. Okay. Also kill yourself, but you want to eat jollof rice.
Let me cut this
That one is terrible. Oh my god. This is very fun to do, but if they pick up, that won't be nice. So now it's my turn here. Hello. 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 How are you? I want to eat. I want to eat your toilet. Do you have a boyfriend? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? You talk too much. Please, can you speak English? I can hear you speak English.
For what reason?
I don't understand you. Can you speak English? Please. I'm talking to you. Please speak English.
Talk.
Why are you that dumb? Please speak English. I'm talking to you.
Talk about him.
You talk too much. Please speak English.
To talk to me, I make a work about for the right speaking business. Okay.
Why don't you go to school?
I'm a damn what I'm at.
Why are you that stupid? What? If you don't, I'll slap you. Speak English.
Hey, I don't know if I talk to you.
No, speak English now. No.
Have you take some weed?
Stop. No.
Boy, I touch.
No, never. No. Keep quiet. Speak English and keep quiet. Okay, hi, bye. Love you. What's the stage? Oh, did you matter, man?
I was for you to piano, man.
I wish I heard what she said. Hello. How are you doing? I miss you. I miss you. I want to see you.
How?
I love you. I miss you. Yeah, no.
Guys, let me try and call my mom in Ghana. Yeah, my mom cannot speak English. She's from Kumasi, so don't judge.
Whatever. So
But I'm gonna try.
put this shit on. I'm gonna give you music.
I'm going to tell her to speak English. I'm going to pretend that it's not me.
Okay. Oh. It's okay.
Mama?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine.
Mama, where are you? Where are you?
I'm home.
Have you prayed? Police are coming to arrest me. Oh. Mama, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Mama, I swear I'm pregnant. Mama, I don't know what to do. I'm pregnant. Menyem. But
It's a prank. Say hi to YouTube. Sorry. That will be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.